with the thought to create a lively environment for people to work. Furniture Box has established itself as a leading manufacturer and supplier of customized office furniture. Our manufacturing facility of more than 1 lakh square feet of area at Noida and another manufacturing facility at Bengaluru speaks volumes about our capacity to deliver. The state-of-the-art factory is equipped with most advanced high-speed edge benders, CNC machines, drilling lines, cutting, bending and shearing metal machineries, powder coating plant, etc. under the strong supervision of highly trained engineers, managers and technicians. Keeping stringent check at every stage enables the company to meet consumer delight through outstanding quality. With industry's best professional expertise, cutting-edge production technologies and motivated human resources, we continuously refine our production process on numerical control machines and efficient work centers to deliver world-class quality products to the customers. Year after year, in every facet of production, when followed only one standard called precision, success has followed us naturally. Quality, design, timeline, budget, warranty. We transform any space to the most comfortable and pleasing one. All the furniture are a perfect example of fine and finished looks. We have display centers in Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Chennai. The company proudly offers one of the largest array of office furniture